everybody, this is Roxy, and I have recipe card number 9, and this is recipe cards. I did large and small, so I have this size, and then I also have large ones. I think these are 4x6. Yeah, 4x6. And these are available at Dollar Tree also. But these, the ones I have are like old vintage ones I've had. I don't even know where I got them or found them. But this I used, there's kind of a smudge here because I use this as packaging for a recipe clip that I made. And so there's a little tape mark there. But otherwise, this is my original one. And then today, I changed it up with using the cherries, but the same spice can, trim better. And those items, those stamps are from Crafty Secrets. This is a long ago set. Maybe I'll use this one. So it's really a cool set. It's all these. There's the can and the border. So you get all those. I actually found it a few years ago on, just Google it. Crafty Secrets Kitchen Classic is the name of the stamp set. But I've done it with these. I think I've showed some already with those little babies. And it's just a great set. I love the apron. It's so cute. You can color it up or stamp it on some pretty floral or colored paper. So that's that stamp set. And that also included favorite recipes that I typed or stamped here. And then this set is W+9, and you get really cool canisters and Pyrex kind of bowls. So I just did a few of those just to show you, you know. This also has, not this one has ingredients. So I've used that like as a subhead. You know, you can put it here, wherever. And you don't even have to put homemade love. You just do ingredients and maybe recipe over here. So, my other favorite, a few more favorite sets is the Newton's Nook. And this has a die set to go along with it. This is really cute. Bake, stir, sprinkle, mix. Roll with it. Handmade with love. Hot stuff. You spin me right round for the mixer or the whisk. Or whisking you a happy birthday. Let's stir things up. It's really cute. I love the designs. I've stamped these out like on florals and stuff and then die cut them out and they're really cute. And you could do that and glue it on your recipe card. And then I have this one from Cosmo Cricket. I doubt this is available. It could be if somebody's destashing it, because they are no longer in business, sad to say. Got everything upside down. I cook with wine. Sometimes I even add it to my food, or the food. That's a really cute, hand-drawn set that I use. And then these are just kind of miscellaneous stamps. That's what they kind of look like. I don't stamp them out perfectly for these things because I know that's where that stamp goes. Where did I see that? Yeah, that one. There's a little pie. But I love using these too, like the oven fresh. And then there's a little oven, so it's cute. And I have more but these are probably my kind of go-tos. Okay, so here those are. Nice, and you can do a lot more with it. I just kind of was doing some basics. And then here's the first little batch. And I rounded the corners with the 1/8, I think it's an eighth inch corner rounder. And then I put the cherry lace upside down and turn them into flowers instead of cherries. So I just did a bunch of colors. And you want to use like a permanent ink for the typing or the stamping. There they are. So that is as easy as it gets. I did film some of the process, so I'll put that at the end here if you want to stick around and watch it. Otherwise, well, here's my favorite recipe box. And someday I will show my recipe box collection. I don't have a huge collection, I just have maybe 5 or 6, but they're fun. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you like, and subscribe if you haven't. And I've got the links to all, like the previous index card, in case you've missed it, is at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.